Hello, I'm Dwight Wesley, an 18-year veteran of the automotive industry, and today I'm going to let you know the 4 things you need to keep in mind if you're applying for a car loan with bad credit, especially if you don't have a cosigner. These 4 things are: 1. Flexibility. 2. Your down payment. 3. Preparation of your documentation. And 4. Finding the right partner to work for you. Flexibility doesn't mean that you have to get a Yaris. Flexibility means that you remain open to the vehicles that you may qualify for. It might not be the time to get that brand new Corvette convertible that you always wanted. The banks want to make sure that you're within your means and that you are comfortable making the payment. Next is your down payment. We've all heard the phrase, cash is king. This is how it works in your benefit when financing a car. The more money you're able to put down for a down payment, the better off the bank is with that loan. The more willing they are to give you the loan in the first place. The more cash you put down, the more it shows the bank that you're willing to pay for the car. Not just willing, but who's going to lose $5,000 if they put it down on a $15,000 vehicle? It just won't happen. So the more money you bring to the table, the easier it is to get you financed. After your down payment comes the documentation that these lenders do require. There'll be proof of income and proof of address. Proof of income is usually as simple as bringing in your last 2 check stubs. If you do not have check stubs, if you get paid cash, or if you get paid child support or Social Security payments, bring in your award letters. That will suffice for income from Social Security or child support. If you do get paid cash, bring in your last 2 bank statements. The last 2 bank statements will show your income, even if it's cash. If you do make cash, please put all of it in your checking account and pull it from the checking account when needed. Make sure you never show a negative balance on that checking account. Proof of address is as simple as bringing in any bill that goes to the house with your address. That could be light bill, that could be your cell phone bill, that could be a newspaper subscription. Anything that is mailed in the U.S. from the U.S. Post Office with your name and that address is usually good for a proof of address. Even better if your driver's license matches that address. These lenders do try to keep it simple, making this documentation easy for you to collect and turn in. They're not trying to make it hard. They want to work with those who want to work with them, and they want to earn your business. Once you have your documentation, your down payment, and some flexibility on the vehicle that you're looking for, the last thing you need to do is know where to go. Bad credit auto loans are far more difficult to do than the normal car deal at most dealerships. That's why you should look for a dealer that specializes or at least is very familiar with bad credit auto loans. Here in South Louisiana, you can come visit us here at PCC Auto Brokers. We do specialize in bad credit lending. These are the things that you need to consider when applying for an auto loan with bad credit. Thank you for your time. Hit the like button if this is helpful to you.